Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artworkfly, and today we'll be looking at the bibliography. The bibliography should be APA format. Now these are some of the ways that you can write your bibliography depending on where you got your information from. So no author means that the author is unknown. The author is unknown. If you got your information from YouTube, this is how you would write it. No date or author, this is how you would write it. That's the example right there. Take a minute and look at it and try to understand what it is saying, or allow your teacher to read it for you. If you got your information from Facebook status update, this is how you would write it. Just an example. Facebook page or note, and this is an example of how you would write it. Alright guys, so your bibliography should be APA format. So that is it for the Csec Visual Arts Journal from start to finish. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below and I will try to answer as best as possible. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.